A lot of developers are looking at Spain. But when will we actually see batteries reach the market? We have analyzed 48 standalone and co-located storage projects. 600 MW of battery projects have already been announced through the BOE and are expected to be online in 2027. These projects are more mature and are more likely to reach the market. From projects announced in industry media, we expect another 1.8 GW. And finally, there are the FEDER funds, direct subsidies for construction costs, specifically targeted at storage projects. Taking into account that projects currently under development could benefit from these funds, the total capacity of new projects could increase by another 2.3 GW. Considering not all projects will reach the market, we could expect to see between 4 and 5 GW by 2029. If you'd like to learn more about the regional differences and the standalone versus co-located configurations, you can access the full article for free on the Modo Energy terminal.